Alright everybody, we are having these ones. As you can see, they are quick forgot what the quick panel. Yes, there's a quick panel where you can adjust light. If you connected Bluetooth, you can make a call 07 blah blah blah, then you can, and then this is for scanning, this for weather. And then what do we have again? This is settings. Let's see how the settings look. This is about, it has a MAC address, it shows the, yeah, this is the language, animation effect, how do you want it to work. off screen watch face. Yes, and let's look there. Dynamic island. If you would like a dynamic island, coded lock. I'm not sure what is this, so I'm not gonna do it now. The gesture answer. If you wanna answer a call, the date, time, brightness, backlight time. How long should it take for it to lock? If you're not pressing reset and shut down, just like that. Then this is, it seems like this is a bag for it. As you can see, these are the this one, they're lies. Then when you slide to that side, it shows you these things. I'm not sure what they are at the moment, but it contains your health and stuff like that. When you slide down, it allows you to rotate in between them. There's a heart rate, there's a phone, there's a couple of things around it. When you press this button, it shows you the kind of these things. This is when you want to talk through a call using your Bluetooth. If you want to search your phone, you don't know where is it. This is my phone ringing. Then stop, it's gonna stop. Then this is the battery percentage. This is the scan where you download the app for this watch. This is the address book. There's no contract now. And then this is the sleeping, no recent sleep data. And then obviously this is the brighter again. And then it's still the same thing from what we went through. This is the recording, but there's a Bluetooth link failure. This is the camera. I don't know where's the camera now. Surely I should change it to on my phone. If I change to camera and do it like that, it's gonna shoot, but I am not sure. I'm just assuming. These are the settings. Yeah. And then when you press here this button, when you press it, it brings you here where you can see your steps, the heart rate, the same functions that we were seeing that side. You can rotate using the wheel here, or you can touch. It's exactly the same things that we were seeing that side. Let's see this find. Alright, it's the same thing. Then the phone, the record, the phone book, the style. What style is this? Or list, false or football. Makes sense. The camera, the music, a work mode. If you wanna play a game like this, but yeah, something like that. Voice assistant is not connected now. If you wanna see a calendar, you can see it. A timer you can set. Weather, QR code, settings. If you wanna change you can do it. Then just like that. These are the features at the moment. Then these ones, they are lying. These ones, the sensors, because as you can see, it's not connected. If I say BP, which BP is it calculating here? Last time I tried, it said 85. Oh, okay. I don't know what is that, but let me try to put it now and do it again, and let's see the blood pressure, if it's gonna be the same. I don't know, but a lot of lies here, especially around the sensors. The heart rate, there is it, the BPM. Last time it said 85, now it's 90. Let's try it again. $71. We don't know which one is which. Alright, let's try it again. Does it mean that it's gonna be the same, but cannot be too much different? Alright, you be the judge of it. Steps, I don't remember taking these steps today. I haven't gone anywhere. I just went out going to collect this watch. So far, for now, it is still a good one for me, because the main cause of it is not about all of these, the heart rate and stuff like that. It's about this, where you gonna change time, and this ball that when you're bored you can just, or waiting for something, you can use it. There's no message. Alright, thanks.